Now start this video or start this question. It's the video I made today. Um, you can see it's easy level question. So minimum string length after removing substring. And you can see here, return the minimum possible length of resulting string that you can ban. And you can see here, you can apply some operation to this string where in one operation, you can remove any occurrence of one of substring A, B over CD. So when I saw this one, and you can see the explanation, this one is given string, and here output 2. So you can see when you see in each step, you can easily to get, okay, maybe in this question we can use the stack. Yeah, you can use the stack to get the minimum possible length. Now, let me copy here. How to use the stack to get the minimum length. Okay, now we have A, B, F, C, A, C, D, B, right? A, C, D, B. So now, oh, sorry. So now the question say we have two substring we can remove from the given string, AB and CD. Okay, AB and the CD, right? We have these two substring. And then we have stack. Here, now we have pointer point to, let me use a different color. Now we have pointer point to the first character. Now we know it's first character. We just directly add this A to our stack. Now pointer point to next B. Okay, now here is B, right? We need to check. Okay, we know here. We need to check here. We have two substring. The second character is the first substring have the B and the D. You just only check the first second character is B, right? Okay, yeah, we satisfy the B. Now we only to check the first character is present in the stack or not. If yes, we can remove the substring from the original string, right? Now we can see, now we find out, okay, the second character equal to here. Okay, now we're just comparing, okay, first character in our stack or not yet. Okay, which means we need to pop on this one. The A we already used. And then we need to remove these two strings from our original string, right? Now we point to here. Now we know the star doesn't have anything, right? So now we need to add the F within our stack. Okay, now we point to C. Now because the C, we need to check the second character of both substring. So you can see here, it's D, right? D. Okay, C is not equal to D. Okay, we don't consider this substring. We can check this one by B, right? So also we don't need to do anything here. We cannot remove the substring from our changes string, right? Now we need to add a C in our stack. Now we point to A. Now we need to check the second character of both substring. No, B and D, right? So now we need to add the A to our stack. Now moving to next character, the C. Okay, but here's B and the D not equal to C, right? So we need to put, store the C. Now we point to here D, right? Okay, now the first substring we don't need to consider because in the second character is B. Now we know CD, the second character is D, they are equal, right? Now we need to check the first character here. The first character is C. Now we need to check the first elements in our stack is C, right? C equal to the first character here. Now we know we need to remove this substring from our string, right? Now we need to remove the CD, and then we also remove this one, the C from our stack. Now we point to next character is B. Okay, you can see here B, right? We know the substring, the second character of substring have the B. Okay, B. Now they are same, right? Now we need to check the first character in our stack is A, right? A equal to A. Okay, so which means we need to remove this substring from our string. Now we need to remove it. After remove it, we also need to remove the first character from our stack. Now, finally, we just return because we already reached the end, right? So now we just return this FC. The size is 2, right? So now the result should be 2. Okay. Now let's double check second input. Now we can here. Let me change the input. Now let me remove this one. Then remove this one. And then remove the stack, everything from stack. Now here is A, C, B, B, D. Obviously, there no substring in our string, right? You can use your eyes to see, right? Okay, the substring is not possible remove from our string. The CB, okay, because it's one is AB and the CD. So now CB is not satisfied in the both string. Now you can see the BB. Okay, BB also not contain AB and the CD, the BD. So now here we just return. So this 5 character will store in our stack. So A, C, dot, so on. So here we just return the size, star dot size. No. Yeah. So you can just store return this size, and then you will know how many character you can find out the minimum length, right? Minimum possible length. Just return the star dot size. You will know that. Now let's code. Now for step, we need to add stack the character stack. Now we need to go through length and I plus. Now we need to get the current character. Now we need to check if stack so actually you can start from 1 and then stack dot add try a dot 0. Now because here I use the not empty. If we already add 1 character in our because you can see the substring is 2, the length is 2, right? So we can actually first character we can directly add to the stack. And stack dot pick. The p method is checking the first elements on the stack. Now equal to a under b, right? Now we need to copy this one in the C and the D. and then let's start the pop-up. The pull or pop from the first one and else. Now here's some issue here. Let me check. Okay, it's fine. Now if here else we need to do, oh, it's smaller. Okay, stack and we need to add, right? Now finally we need to return the start site. Now you can see, let me double check. Okay, if statement. Okay, C and D. Okay, fine. So if satisfy this if statement, we just pop on the first character, and then otherwise we just add the current character to our stack. Now let's run it. Okay, you can see pass on the test case. Okay, so the time capacity is b of n, right? I just go to the string only once, and then the space capacity is b of n. I use the stack, right, to store character. Now thank you for watching this